How to upload image in Midjourney. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an absolutely incredible and amazing day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be discussing about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely great and incredible AI art and designing software. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end and listen to all the information that I have to provide you with. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the information. So to start things off, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to be getting into the main Midjourney website, okay? And that is midjourney.com. Here we are. So you're going to come here on Google, write Midjourney, and we're going to get into it. Now, once you're on Midjourney, like once you're on the main website, as you can see, a lot is happening over here, coding going on in the behind, Midjourney, stuff like that. So we're gonna scroll down in here. As you can see in the about, they tell us about themselves. Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring the new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. Okay, and then obviously as we can go ahead and see more things like you have get started, showcase, join the beta, sign in, and much more. So to obviously get straight ahead into it, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on join the beta. Now what's going to happen when you click on join the beta is that you are going to be redirected to the main page center. Okay, you are going to be redirected to the main Discord page where they are going to ask you to sign it and everything. And once they ask you that, you are going to go straight into the editorial section, the editorial bits and all, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. So let me show you what's going to open up for you. Basically, your Discord's going to open up and you're going to land on this place over here. Okay, it's going to look like this, and it's going to be pretty confusing at first. You're going to be like, where the hell have I landed? What is going on? So it's going to be a bit of a confusing journey, but don't worry. This is basically just the basic announcements page. Okay, this is where they announce their latest stuff. As you can see, the latest news is that Midjourney We 5.2 just came out. It's absolutely incredible, and we're going to be talking about that as well in this video. So to get into the main bit of the topic, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here in the servers list, and as you can see, there's two servers over here: newcomer rooms 2. And in these newcomer rooms, there are different groups. So you're just going to go in any one of these. Okay, let's say I'm going to go in newbies 89 just as an example, and we're going to start scrolling down. Now as we scroll down, we can see that there's actually a lot of art going on. And yes, it is exactly what you're wondering. It is made by actual people. It's made by actual users of Discord. Now you can't see their name or anything because it's totally anonymous, which is also a great thing. Like, the art style and the art making is absolutely anonymous. No one can actually see what you're making, because whatever you make, it's gonna just, show that the Midjourney bot made it. So that's also a pretty fun thing to have on Midjourney. Now, to discuss how we're going to actually upload an image and, do design with that, is we're going to click on this plus sign over here and click on upload a file. Now, once you click on upload a file, let's say we have this image over here. Okay, I just picked this image off of Reddit, pretty random image, and we're going to click enter. Okay, we're just going to upload it straight up. Now, once you upload it, you're going to right click on it, and you're going to come down here and you're going to click on copy link. Okay, you're just going to copy the link of the photo. You're going to slash, you're going to write imagine, and as you can see, it gives you a prompt. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to paste the link that we just copied. You're going to do comma, and then you're going to write any prompt that you desire. You're just going to write whatever you want the picture to be manipulated into. You're going to write whatever you want the picture to look like. And that is how you're going to basically upload images and then just automatically manipulate them using Midjourney in the easiest, most simplest artistic ways possible. Okay, and then just go ahead and make as many different design prompts as you want to. Pretty easy and basic stuff to have out there. Now, what we're going to be doing is obviously once you've written your prompts, you're going to click on enter, and yeah, pretty great and basic stuff. Now, obviously, you're going to make sure that the version you're using, now on the current version, which is 5.2, the image prompting won't work. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on settings and you're going to open settings. And as you can see, you can switch the things. Okay. So make sure to switch to MJ version 4 because on version 4, you can do single prompt images, but on the 5.2 version, you cannot do it. Now, once you switch to 4, just upload your images and do it away. Now, what I'm gonna about to tell you is for the people who like their privacy. Now, you're probably wondering that, maybe you want to upload a photo of your own, or maybe someone from your family, or maybe it's a very personal photo that you don't want the people out there to see. Because if you upload a photo, the people in the Discord server will see it. Now, how do you prevent that? Let me tell you. You're gonna come here and click on Add a Server. You're gonna click on Create My Own. For me and my friends, you're just going to call it some random server. Okay, I'm just going to call it this. I'm going to click on create. Now, once we click on create, as we can see, we have this server. We're going to go back to the Midjourney server. Okay, we're going to come here on the Midjourney bot. You're going to right click on it. Once you right click on it, you can make this your own. I'm sorry, you're going to left click on it. And you're going to come here and it's going to say add to server. And you're going to click on add to server. You're going to select the server. You're going to select the server you want to add it to. Click on continue. Authorize. You're gonna, authorize yourself as a human. Once you do that, there we go. Now we're gonna go to the server, and here, as you can see, this is your very own private Midjourney server where you can start doing things. So you can just add an image over here, and no one will see other than you. And as you can see, if you do imagine or anything like that, all of that will be easily done, as you can see. So pretty great stuff, isn't it? So absolutely amazing. This image prompting and the whole Midjourney suite. It's really incredible. It's really out there, and a lot of people are using it nowadays. And I recommend that you use it as well because it will be extremely helpful to you and to a lot of other people. So yeah. Again, if I were to give you a recap, how you're gonna access Midjourney, you're gonna go on Google. You're gonna write Midjourney. Okay, you're going to go to the first link that you find, which is going to be midjourney.com. You're going to click on it. You're going to come to the main Midjourney page. And once you're in the main Midjourney page, from there, just come join the beta, join the main Midjourney server on Discord. And once you're joining the Midjourney server on Discord, go on the plus sign, click on upload an image, upload whatever image you want to, copy the link off of that image. Then you're just going to imagine, prompt, paste the link, and then just prompt anything that you desire, and your image is gonna be manipulated through Midjourney. So yeah, that's how simple and easy it is. So yeah, that's basically about it. Now, if you enjoyed that video and found it informational, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you incredible people next time. Goodbye.